What's up, guys? It's Jayla. Long time no see. I have so much to catch you guys up on. The last video I vlogged and uploaded to share with you guys was when I was on my first contract with Royal Caribbean and I was traveling during the pandemic. But that was so long ago, like so long ago. And so much has happened between then and now that I'm just so excited to catch you guys up on finally. I've been vlogging since then, but I just haven't really been able to share because my life has been on go ever since I got off that ship. I went to LA 3 times, I went to London, I met somebody, I did so many things. So stay tuned, buckle up, because I have vlogs on vlogs on vlogs for you guys that I'm gonna share about what my life has been like in the past year. So if you don't know me already, my name is Jayla. I'm a dancer from Canada. I work for Royal Caribbean currently. My last contract was on Anthem of the Seas. It was in the 270 show called Spectres Cabaret, and it was an amazing contract. It was very hard. It was very new since that was my first time doing that. A lot of ups, a lot of downs. It was during the pandemic, so there were times we couldn't really get off of the ship, and it was a lot, but I'm really proud of myself that I made it through that full length 11-month contract, and it definitely changed my life, like 100%. And it has now brought me to this next ship that I'm on. It's totally different this time. I'm a part of an aqua show called Aqua 80. I'm now swimming, I'm diving, I'm dancing, I'm connected to scuba gear, I'm holding my breath, I'm doing all of these things, and it's insane. In this video, you'll see me traveling from home. You'll see me traveling to Miami. Then you'll see a bit of the experience in Miami. You're in rehearsal, you're working. But when you leave, you kind of have the freedom to do whatever you want in Miami. So yeah, we had lots of fun. We focused, we worked really hard to learn the show, but then we also had our fun as well. So in Miami, I did this swimming course. It's called PADI training. It's like a scuba diving course is what it is. And in the show that I'm in, we use scuba gear. So in order to be a part of the show, you have to do this course. I did the course, probably one of the most hardest things I've ever done in my entire life. But I passed, it's all good. Fast forward and we travel from Miami to the ship, and I show you guys a bit about that. I show you guys our very first show night, show you guys like what it's like to get ready for the show and how we leave the show, what we do with our costume. We're in the water with these costumes, so my first question was like, how did the costumes get dry? What I do with my hair? Being a black dancer in the chlorine water, I actually went home to Halifax on one of the ports. It only happened once. We had this 1 week that was a Canada cruise, so you guys will get to see a little bit about that. At the very end of our Miami experience, I had a surprise visitor, my man. He came to visit me and he surprised me. Yeah, so you guys will get to see a little bit of that. But yeah, guys, that's it. Let's get into the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Alright guys, this is it. I'm off. Shout out to Hughes for driving me to the airport. I'll miss ya, boo.
I'm going back on the ship, and it's been a long time coming. I have gotten a couple of contract offers since my last. I don't know where I'm supposed to be looking right now. Anyway, now that I feel like I kind of traveled and did other things that I wanted to do aside from the ship, I feel like I'm ready to go back. So I'm doing a aqua theater show. So it involves the water. I don't feel sad. Like, I don't feel sad leaving. I'm like getting ready to go because my flight's boarding. But anyways, I don't feel sad. I feel really happy. I feel really ready. It's so freaking loud. Peace out, Halifax. It's this outfit for me. Like, I really do not be trying to impress while I'm traveling.
Place the vest around the infant's waist and secure.
This is like technically day 2 because I got in yesterday. Yesterday was like get in, get settled, and then catch up with my friends who haven't seen in forever. And today is giving orientation. It was giving orientation in the morning. And then we've had the rest of the day off. I just got back from doing a Target haul. It's got like lots of groceries, things I'm gonna need while being here in Miami. I know I'll have to go again probably, but I wanted the fridge to be as filled as possible. I just like to know that I have things and I don't need to go out and get them. So like if I am craving chips, like I want to know that I have chips and can eat the chips. Hardest day of my life. Ooh. It's Cardi B! It's Cardi B! Cardi B looks a lot different than I thought. I was thinking about her, thinking about me, thinking about us, what it's gonna be. Guys, we just finished our very first run of the show. It's not the whole show, to be honest. It's only the choreo we've learned, but I think we only have like 2 little sections of choreo left to learn. So basically for the dancers, we did the whole show today, and I'm tired, I'm puffed, but I'm proud of myself. I really ate it up. No, it was actually pretty hard, but it was a good day, and we're finished now. It's about 6:15, and we're all going to play golf. And the theme is disco because, well, not disco, but it's 80s, because our show is 80s, Aqua 80, and it's someone's birthday tonight, Anouk. So that is the theme of her birthday party. So we're all wearing disco. Why do I keep saying disco? 80s outfits while playing golf. So I'm exhausted. Just drank all my water. I have about 30 minutes to get ready. Let's see if we can do it. I don't think I can. I think I'm gonna be late. Do 80s night. Ah!
$1. Where is the ball? Okay, Jela, another try. I can't see shit.
Can I see Ain't No Holla Back, girl?
What do you do next? Oh, my favorite section.
Oh, yes. Oh my god. Eat. But girl, ain't no holla back, girl. Oh my god. Bring it over to my place. You don't know what you get.
Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed.
Last day of rehearsal vibes. Family on 6, run! 1, 2, 3. Wynwood Walls. So cool. Oh, yeah.
Too bright.
It's too bright.
I did not know you could do that.
What
a view. From the chandelier. All this luggage. I don't know how we're gonna get it on. Hey. Luggage for days. Wow. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, family!
And secure the strap between the legs. Refer to your...
You welcome, OG. I made you hot, nigga. Catch me at the X with OG at a Yankee game. Shit, I made the Yankee hat more famous than a Yankee can. You should know I bleed blue, but I ain't a crypto. But I got a gang of niggas walking with my click though. Welcome to the melting pot. Corners where we selling rock. Africa been by the shit. Home of the hip hop. Yellow cap, gypsy cap, dollar cap, holla back. For foreigners, it ain't fair. They act like they forgot how to act. 8 million stories out there in the naked city. It's a
Time to board the ship. We're leaving New York. Bye. About to get on the ship. First time seeing the Aqua Theater. How cool. It's huge. On that stage. Very cool. Watching rehearsals. I'm not in today's rehearsals until 2:30. 2:30 until 3:30. I have a very quiet day today. God bless. We're about to go watch Aqua 80 for the first time. I'm excited because now I get to see the show I'm gonna do for the next 6 months.
Vlogs again.
She's back with the vlogs.
I'm just gonna sit.
Use the fork. That's just sad, honestly. Date night before my baby leaves me again. He's really trying to be a vlogger like me. Hi guys. Something just fell in the bathroom and it actually scared me so bad. Okay, so I have a lot to say about this journey and experience so far, but I'm gonna save that for another day because everything has moved so fast ever since I got to the ship. And honestly, even before that, like ever since I was trying to get myself to Miami, like the last few months have been very, very, very hectic. And I definitely didn't get to vlog this experience the way I wanted to. But moving forward, it will be a bit easier because the rehearsal process is done now. It is done. I just wanted to let you guys know we did our very first show run tonight. It went so good. It was the first time we did it from top to bottom. We had a lot of weather conditions like not in our favor the last few days, so we didn't think it was gonna happen, but it happened. It was really good. We open tomorrow. We literally open tomorrow. Also this week, I'm gonna be going home. We're going to Canada. It's so random that we have a week where we're going to Canada. Every other week, it's the exact same itinerary. It's New Jersey, Florida, Bahamas, like from the time I got here till the time I leave. But for whatever reason, next week, or this week, I should say, we're in Canada and we're going to Halifax for just one day. And I'm so excited. So it's in 4 days. I can't wait. We'll see if I'll actually be able to get off and like see everyone. I really don't know how it's gonna go. But yeah, guys, anyways, I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna go to bed. This is our last night in our ECC cabin. So this is a cabin you get while you're doing the handover with the other cast before they leave, and you get to take over their cabin. So this is our last night in this cabin. We just pulled up to New York. Like, I literally just saw the Statue of Liberty from our porthole. We will not be having a porthole in our new cabin, so I'm just taking it all in. Guys, today we're in Canada. You see the flag? Guys, it's Halifax behind them. Guys, we're here. I'm about to get off and go home. Let's go. Done it. I got off in Halifax. I saw my family, not for as long as I would have liked, but you know, I'm just grateful that I got to dock here. My niece and my sister-in-law and my brother and my two best friends were at the boardwalk with me. I got to show them a bit of the show on my laptop and just kind of caught up with them. It was just really nice to just see my family today, honestly. I feel very like happy, and it's just cool to be home. Do you guys want to be in my vlog?
Sure.
Alright, so it's giving opening night.
Makeup time.
Makeup time. Going well so far. Going well so far. So guys, just for reference, this is what we're hitting. That photo right there. Entrance. Oh. Alright guys, you gotta finish it off with a spray. I don't like it. It just smells like it shouldn't be on your face. Oh, yes. Time to do some presets. Okay, so my thoughts for opening night is I'm excited. I'm trying not to psych myself out, so I'm telling myself I'm not nervous, but I'm a little nervous. Do you have any words for opening night, Jose?
Just let go, just have fun, you know, and
Yes,
do it.
let's do it. Guys, do you have any words for opening night?
Good luck. Stay safe.
Yes.
Good luck.
And stay safe.
See you under the water.
See you under the water. Alright, we're gonna do the presets. We have finished our first show. Woohoo! Do you guys see my makeup? I think I need to put more setting spray. One more show to go. I don't want to go to sleep.
We did it, guys. Opening night, and we're done.
Guys, we finished our opening night. I'm honestly in shock. Like, when I tell you we did our first tech run yesterday, but it's so cool to be doing this show. It's such an exciting night. The energy of everyone in the cast has been amazing, and I'm so proud of everybody. We were not meant to be doing shows this early, and we had a lot of like days where the weather was not in our favor, so we missed out on a few rehearsal days, and we still fucking put it together. So I'm just so proud of us all. I'm literally the only one backstage right now because we had to go and do like a toast to celebrate, and I still have some things I need to get from back here, but I thought it was a good time to make a little video. So much has happened in these 7 weeks, like I can't even put it into words. I haven't even really told my family back home that I had opening night tonight because we kind of just found out yesterday that we would be doing this. I haven't really had much time for anything. My cabin is still a mess and I still need to sort it out and unpack. But yeah, overall guys, it was a good night. It was a big night, a big night, and I'm ready to go to bed. Let me show you around backstage. So this is my little area. I have a lot going on right now because like I said, I need to pack up all my stuff and leave. This is my little area. There's another area here, another one there, another one there, another one there, another one there, there, and there. So this is the girls' dressing room. Not really much else to show you guys, to be honest. Lots and lots and lots of towels because, yeah, obviously we'd be getting wet. So let me just kind of break it down and let you guys know how it works backstage down here. So everything that we wear gets wet for the most part. This costume doesn't go in the water, but it still gets wet because there's water everywhere. So what we do is we go into the bathroom, we rinse it out, and then we have to put it in this spinner. So I'm not going to show you how it works because I've already spun everything, but basically you put it in here, and you put in your shoes, which are soaking wet as well, and all of your other costumes, and you plug it in, it spins, the water drains out there, and that's how you dry your costume. So that was super cool to see because I've never seen that before. Once you do that with all your pieces of costumes, for me, I have this costume, I have 2 other costumes as well. So I already spun everything, and I just have this one to hang really quickly. So when I tell you that hair was my first question about accepting this contract, I was like, what do I do with my hair in this strong ass chlorine like 6 times a week? Like, it really stressed me out. I'm being very cautious about my hair during this contract because I would like to keep my hair. I would like my hair to not be damaged. I think it's kind of a given that it will be because we're in the chlorine so much, but I try my best to like keep it hydrated. I always put in conditioner before we do a show, like just lather it up so it kind of protects it against the chlorine. And then in the show we have kind of freedom to do not whatever we want with our hair. Like, it kind of has to have like the same like vibe for all the girls, but like as long as it's like braids and like pigtails, like it's pretty open. So I picked a hairstyle that works really good for me so far anyways. I might change it up later, but I mean, I'm not going to show you right now, but I'll show you next time we do a show. But basically I do like a ponytail here, a ponytail there, and a ponytail there. I braid it and I put it into a bun, so 2 on each side. And afterwards I put in leave-in conditioner before I head to the shower and like wash it all out. And at the moment I'm only washing my hair like once a week with shampoo, and then every day when we get out of the water I just wash it with conditioner and just lather that shit in, then put in a bunch of leave-in conditioner, coconut oil, like all the products. So I'll keep you guys posted on how the hair journey goes. I'm a bit nervy, but I have this like towel. What's it called? Like a micro fiber towel, maybe? It's better for your hair than like a regular towel. So I'll be putting this on my head after every show. So yeah, cast 5, get used to seeing me like this per. But honestly, guys, that's it.